Hi everyone, Michelle Unger here with another tip of the week, going back to Microsoft Word. Today's tip, we are going to use the Smart Lookup feature. So the Smart Lookup feature, is a feature that is going to allow you to select a word or a phrase, right-click on it, and then choose search. And you can find Wikipedia articles, images, additional information about the item that you are looking to search for. So I'm going to switch over to my document here and I'm going to find a word. So let's see what word we can use here. We've got a couple of different choices. Looks like this got a little bit goofed up, but I'm going to go ahead and double click on the word sunlight. I'm going to right click on it, choose search sunlight. And now I'm going to find media results. I can find definitions. I can find Wikipedia articles. I can even find these words in additional articles that I've created or additional documents that I've created. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this sunlight picture by clicking on it. And then I've got my options where I can resize just like I normally do and also kind of change the format of this picture. All right, so that in a nutshell is how you use the Smart Lookup. So follow me at qpct.net for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you again next time.